Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Start. Section 161 of the CRPC enables a police officer making investigation to orally examine any person supposed to be acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case. Full stop. Subsection 2 of this section imposes an obligation upon such person to answer all the questions relating to such case put to him except the questions which would have a tendency to expose him to the criminal charge or to a penalty or forfeiture. Full stop. Subsection 3 of this section gives discretion to the police officer to reduce the statement in writing as made to him during examination under this section. Full stop. If the police officer does so, he/she is under obligation to make a separate and true record of the statement of each such person whose statement he/she recorded. Full stop. Stanza. The law is unambiguously clear that, the statement of a witness recorded under Section 161 of the CRPC cannot be treated as substantive evidence, as is specifically provided under Section 162 within bracket 1 of the CRPC. Full stop. The use of a statement recorded under Section 161 is stipulated in Section 162. Full stop. A collective reading of Section 162 of the CRPC bracket along with its proviso bracket close and Section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act makes it eloquently vivid that a statement recorded under Section 161 can only be used for the 20 of 24 purpose of contradicting the prosecution witnesses in the manner indicated in Section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act and for no other purpose. Full stop. It is clearly manifest from the above provisions that, a statement under Section 161 can never be used as substantive evidence in favor of or against either the accused or the prosecution. Full stop. Stanza. The scope of statement recorded under Section 161 is clearly defined in Section 162 of the CRPC. Full stop. The scope of Section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act is somewhat larger, which enables the defense to contradict the prosecution witnesses with his/her former statement made to a police officer during investigation inquiry to impeach his/her credit, to corroborate him/her, or to refresh his/her memory. Full stop. However, Section 162 of the CRPC imposes an absolute bar for the statement recorded under Section 161 for being used for any other purpose than provided under section 162 full stop stanza retardedly when the law has evolved that statement of a prosecution witness under section 161 of the CRPC stop. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी फॉर द एस्पायरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट्स एग्जाम। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो, क्योंकि डिक्टेशन में कोई स्पीड मेंशन नहीं होगी क्योंकि आपका स्पीड बैरियर नहीं है, ठीक है, तो आप इसको डिक्टेशन को ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करोगे विदाउट मेंशनिंग एनी स्पीड, ठीक है। तो ये नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन तो होगी, ऊपर भी हो सकती है फ्लक्चुएशन करके, ठीक है। तो आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।